Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Angelica Maria. My last name is Herrera Perez. I am in Vélez. I am from Vélez. I am a student administration of the empresas. Mr. Antonio Gutiérrez, Secretary General of United Nations Organization (ONU). Mr. Secretary General, I respectfully write you in order to make known from my point of view the concern due to the impact the technology is generating on the environment due to the economic growth of developing countries. On one hand, it is possible to see how the technology inventions have been created that benefits such as solar panels, electric cars, and wind power mills, whose operations is based on the use of the same energy resources generated by the environment. On the other hand, it is negative to see how after the large industries during each of the processes generate toxic and harmful waste that cause greenhouse effect global warming in excessive pollution. I believe the measures must be taken in this regard since our allegory in Chassues sin climate change implementing twinning raising awareness among business men and people three strategies that reduce their impact. Cordially, Angelica Maria Herrera. Thank you. Happy afternoon.